This is Paranormal Short Session 6 by Keith Evans at the digital alarm clock. I already have the millimeter going, and as you can see, it's 48.9 milligauss and 74.9 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm at the digital alarm clock. Today is Friday, the 4th of February, 2022. I'm gonna use my Flare TG165 just to show you that the temperature is the same, that there's no change there. So I'll just do that for a short period here. I don't know why it does that, where it seems like it explodes and gets bigger or smaller. The yellow area is small, but it's about 86. Purple was about let me rearrange this so I can yellow is about 86, 87, and the orange is close to the yellow. Pink is about 84, 85 degrees Fahrenheit. There's less yellow tonight. It seems like it's mainly orange. Now it's got a little bit of a yellow center. See how it kind of sparks up? That's unusual. Now it's turning more yellow. I don't know why it's getting white like that. Okay, there's the yellow. 86.5 degrees Fahrenheit. Surrounded by a thin layer of orange. Orange is about 86.3. My TG165 flare just timed out. Alright, now it'll take a little while to adjust. Okay, we're back to the alarm clock. It's like a pink or purple larger layer with a center, has a thin layer of orange and a tiny yellow section in the middle. Trying to keep my crosshairs right on the yellow section here. About 86, 87.5 degrees. The orange section will be about 85.3. Purple section is about 82.2 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, that's going to be enough for the Flare TG165. My theory is there are multiple ghosts and spirits that are in or near my digital alarm clock, which is causing the millimeter readings to be, consistently 48.4 milligauss, and it's causing the Owlus 5 to get many words. For example, it's like having 100 people start to talk to you at the first time, and you get 100, words from either the first one or two or three words of each sentence that they're trying to speak. and you look at it, none of it makes sense. So I'm going to ask all of the ghosts and spirits that are near or within my digital alarm clock one question. When I turn on the Obelisk 5B, the only words I want are first and last names. If you don't do that, I'm just going to back away and be out of your range. There's no sense me just turning on the Obelisk 5 and getting 100 different ghosts and spirits talking, and all I get is one word out of each sentence that they're speaking, and it makes no sense. So, anyway, now this time I'm not going to let you all ask me a question at all. It's just going to be me asking the question, and all I want from you is first and last names. If that doesn't happen, then I'll just back away or turn the Obelisk 5 off. Okay? Thank you. I appreciate your cooperation. Okay. On the millimeter, we got 48.5 milligauss for the electromagnetic energy, and we got 75.6 degrees Fahrenheit. For some reason, I'm not seeing the unit of measurements.
Earth. Center.
Okay.
Course. Chain.
That's not names.
Good.
Stop.
Gravity.
Only names. Stop. Only names. Please stop. Only names. Meaning a first and last name.
Zinc.
Zinc is the name of element. Are you element zinc? That's good.
Aniline.
Okay.
Later.
Emmeline.
Violent.
No, just names. Just names. Ameline is good. I think that may have been one of the names of Jeff Buck's youngest daughter. I think her name might have been Ameline. Ameline, are you Jeff Buck's daughter? You. You saying that you're my daughter?
Snap. Certain.
Snap certain.
Johnny.
Hello, Johnny.
Maze.
Maze. Okay, got
Remote.
Ameline.
Greek.
Greek is the name of a person. Just names, please. Just names. Your first and last name, please. Just a reminder, if there's anyone new that's coming into the video, first and last names only. No other words, okay? Thank you, Emmeline, and thank you, Johnny, for your name.
File. Waters.
Waters is a name.
Brave.
Carrie is a name. Brave.
Aqua.
Aqua is a name. Water.
Judge.
Judge is a name. 50. Just names, please. Just names.
Region.
Your first and last name. Your first and last name, please.
Huge. Guess. Timid.
I'm gonna back off.
Beckon.
first and last names. I backed off about 5 feet. Now, only first and last names. I'm about probably a good 6 or 7 feet from the alarm clock now. It's very hard to get one question answered, and with the amount of ghosts and spirits that are near the alarm clock, it's just like a free for all. Everyone is eager and wants to be heard. It's almost like every ghost and spirit wants an interview, and you just get lots of words that make no sense. So I feel like a referee instead of a paranormal researcher. I'm just trying to get the ghosts and spirits to only one or two to talk, and right now I'm just asking everyone for their names, first and last name, and I'm getting all types of words. So I tried, but don't seem like that's gonna work. Now I'm like 6 and 7 feet back, and as you notice, I'm not getting any words. So I'm gonna go close again, and I'm reminding the ghost, all I want is your name. No other words. Tonight we're not going to talk about anything else.
Stars.
No,
Greg.
just your names, Greg. That's good. Only your name. First and last name. I don't want the name of body parts or astronomical things like stars. Your name. If you're a ghost or spirit, your first or last name, please. Again, first or last name.
M. View. Psychic.
Back off again. I'm not getting names. Thank you, Greg, for your name. I'm about 6 or 7 feet away from the alarm clock, and as you see, words have stopped. So, when the ghosts of spirits say view of a psychic, I don't know if they're considering themselves to be psychic or me to be psychic because I'm communicating with them, but I don't think it has nothing to do with being a psychic. If I'm able to communicate with them, it's because I have a obelisk 5B. And the ghosts and spirits use their electromagnetic energy to choose words from the obelisk 5B. I got 50 again tonight. It seems to be something I get a lot, spelled out FIFTY. And I get a lot of letters. Tonight I've gotten U and M. The letter U and the letter M, which maybe that's initials, I don't know. But anyway, I think for tonight I'm going to go ahead and end this and turn off the obelisk 5B. And as you can see, when I'm 6 and 7 feet away from the alarm clock, digital alarm clock, I don't get any words. When I'm up close, I just get a flurry of words. And tonight I got a few names. Emmeline was one. I think the other one was Johnny and Greg. So I thank you, Ghost, for giving me your names. It was nice to meet you, and we'll try this again maybe next weekend. Who knows, maybe even sooner. So before we go, let's look at the millimeter reading. Millimeter reading is 49.6 milligauss for the electromagnetic energy and 75.7 degrees Fahrenheit. 50.2 milligauss for the electromagnetic reading on the millimeter. Alright, this is Paranormal Short Session 6 by Keith Evans at the Digital Alarm Clock. I wish everyone a good night, and I appreciate everyone who watches my YouTube channel, Paranormal Short Sessions by Keith Evans. And please be sure to like my YouTube channel videos and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Paranormal Short Sessions by Keith Evans. Thank you and have a good night.